For a lot of people, the idea of traveling to another country for the first time feels exciting, but also a little intimidating. It's not just about booking a flight. It's the unfamiliar language, different food, new systems, and that quiet fear of not knowing what to expect. What if you get lost? What if something goes wrong? What if it's just too much? But here's something most people don't realize. Not every destination is overwhelming. In fact, some countries are incredibly easy, welcoming, and almost designed to help first-time travelers feel comfortable from the moment they arrive. And once you start in the right place, travel stops feeling scary and starts feeling like one of the best decisions you've ever made. In this journey, we're going to explore 10 of the best countries in the world for first-time travelers. Places where everything just works, where people are helpful, and where you can focus less on stress and more on enjoying the experience. Because your first trip shouldn't feel complicated. It should feel like the beginning of something unforgettable. The truth is, traveling for the first time doesn't have to be chaotic or confusing. When you choose the right destination, everything becomes smoother. Airports are easier to navigate. Transportation makes sense. Signs are clear. People are patient and often willing to help. And instead of feeling lost, you feel guided. That's what makes these countries special. They don't just offer beauty or culture. They offer comfort, clarity, and confidence. Take Japan, for example. At first glance, it might seem like a complex place, with a language you may not understand and a culture that feels completely different. But once you arrive, something surprising happens. Everything is organized, efficient, and incredibly easy to follow. Trains run on time down to the minute, signs are often translated, and the level of safety is unmatched. You can walk through cities like Tokyo late at night and still feel secure. And despite the language barrier, people go out of their way to help. It's a country that quietly supports you, even when you don't realize it. Then there's Italy, a place that feels like stepping into a living story. For a first-time traveler, Italy is both exciting and familiar at the same time. The food is comforting, the people are expressive and warm, and getting around is relatively simple with trains connecting major cities. Whether you're wandering through Rome, enjoying a slow afternoon in Florence, or watching the sunset over Venice, Italy feels approachable. It's not just a destination, it's an experience that feels natural, even if it's your first time abroad. Now imagine Thailand, where everything feels vibrant yet surprisingly easy. It's one of the most popular destinations for beginners for a reason. It's affordable, the locals are incredibly friendly, and tourism infrastructure is well developed. You'll find English widely spoken in major areas, transportation options are flexible, and there's always someone ready to help. Whether you're exploring bustling Bangkok or relaxing on a quiet beach, Thailand makes travel feel light, fun, and stress-free. France offers a different kind of introduction. It's elegant, cultural, and deeply immersive, but still very manageable for first-timers. Paris might seem overwhelming at first, but the city is well-connected, easy to explore, and filled with iconic sights that feel familiar even before you arrive. Cafes spill into the streets, museums invite you in, and every corner feels like a moment worth remembering. And once you adjust, you realize it's not intimidating at all. It's simply beautiful. Spain brings a sense of energy that's hard to resist. It's lively, colorful, and incredibly welcoming. Cities like Barcelona and Madrid are easy to navigate, and the culture encourages you to slow down and enjoy life. Late dinners, long walks, music in the streets, it all creates an atmosphere where you feel like you belong, even if you've just arrived. And for a first-time traveler, that feeling makes all the difference. Portugal is often overlooked, but it might be one of the best places to start. It's calm, affordable, and incredibly friendly. Lisbon, with its scenic views and charming streets, is easy to explore without feeling rushed. English is widely spoken, public transport is simple, and the overall pace is relaxed. It's the kind of place where you can take your time, make small mistakes, and still feel completely at ease. The United Kingdom offers something different: familiarity. For many first-time travelers, especially those concerned about language barriers, this can be a huge advantage. Everything is in English, systems are clearly structured, and cities like London are incredibly well organized. You can move around with confidence, understand everything around you, and focus entirely on the experience instead of worrying about logistics.
Canada is another excellent starting point. It's known for its safety, friendliness, and clean, organized cities. Whether you're in Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal, you'll find a calm, welcoming atmosphere. The country feels modern, easy to navigate, and incredibly diverse. For someone stepping into international travel for the first time, Canada feels like a gentle introduction to the world beyond your comfort zone. The Netherlands offers simplicity in the best way possible. It's compact, efficient, and easy to explore. Cities like Amsterdam are built for movement, whether by bike, tram, or simply walking. English is widely spoken, signs are clear, and the overall environment feels relaxed. It's a place where you don't have to try too hard to figure things out, and that's exactly what makes it perfect for beginners. And then there's Singapore, one of the easiest countries in the world to travel through. It's clean, safe, and incredibly organized. Public transportation is seamless, English is one of the main languages, and everything feels structured in a way that removes stress. It's modern, efficient, and welcoming, almost like a training ground for first-time travelers who want a smooth, hassle-free experience. When you step back and look at all these places, you start to notice something. They all share certain qualities. They're safe, they're organized, they have clear transportation systems, people are generally helpful, and communication isn't a constant struggle. These countries are designed in one way or another to support visitors. And once you understand this, choosing your first destination becomes much easier. You don't need to pick the most exotic place or the most famous landmark. You just need to choose somewhere that makes the process simple. Because your first trip isn't about doing everything. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it. Of course, even with the perfect destination, a little preparation goes a long way. Keep your documents organized, make copies of important information, and plan just enough to feel confident without overloading yourself. Start with a simple itinerary. Things might not go exactly as planned, and that's okay. Sometimes the best moments come from the unexpected. Maybe it's a random street you decide to walk down, a conversation with someone you didn't expect to meet, or a quiet moment where you realize you're standing in a place you once only saw in pictures. That's what travel really is. It's not just about places, it's about growth. It's about stepping into something unfamiliar and realizing you're capable of handling it. It's about gaining confidence with every small decision you make, from navigating a train station to ordering food in a different language. And once you've done it once, everything changes. The fear fades, the hesitation disappears, and suddenly, the world doesn't feel so far away anymore. So if you've been thinking about traveling, but something has been holding you back, maybe this is your sign to start. You don't need everything to be perfect. You don't need to know everything in advance. You just need to begin. Because the hardest part of traveling isn't the flight, the planning, or even the unknown. It's taking that first step. And once you do, you'll wonder why you waited so long. So now I'm curious, if you could choose one of these countries for your very first trip, where would you go? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this helped you feel a little more confident about traveling, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides that make exploring the world feel simple, exciting, and completely possible. Because your journey doesn't start when everything is perfect. It starts the moment you decide to go.